Welcome back to AZE English Listening Practice. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today's topic is talking about daily routine.
Daily routines are very important because we use them in everyday conversations, at school, at work, and even when meeting new people.
Exactly. And it's one of the easiest ways to practice English because you already know your routine. You just need the words.
Ben, what's one thing you do every morning?
I always drink coffee and read the news. It helps me wake up.
Nice. I usually stretch and listen to music before starting my day.
Great. Now let's listen to Conversation 1 about daily routines.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. What do you do after that?
I take a shower and eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
Usually eggs and toast.
Sounds good. I drink tea in the morning.
Do you exercise in the morning?
No, I exercise in the evening.
Oh, that's good too.
That was a very natural conversation. They used simple daily routine verbs.
Yes, and I like how they asked follow-up questions like, what do you eat and do you exercise?
It's a great example of how to talk about your morning.
Now, let's look at some useful words from this conversation.
Wake up. To stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7.
Breakfast. The first meal of the day. Example, I eat breakfast at home.
Exercise. To move your body to stay healthy. Example, I exercise in the evening.
Toast. Bread that is heated until crispy. Example, I eat toast in the morning.
Now, let's listen to the second conversation about this topic.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
Same here. What do you do during lunch?
I usually eat with my coworkers.
That's nice. I like to take a short walk after lunch.
Good idea. What do you do after work?
I go home, cook dinner, and watch a show.
Sounds relaxing. I study English in the evening.
Wow, that's great. Keep going.
I like this conversation because it shows a full daily schedule, morning, lunch, and evening.
Yes, and the questions were very useful. What time do you start work? And what do you do after work?
And I like how Sarah said she studies English in the evening. Very motivating.
Let's look at some new words from this conversation.
Start work. When your job begins. Example, I start work at 9.
Lunch. The meal in the middle of the day. Example, I eat lunch at noon.
Walk. To move on your feet. Example, I take a walk after lunch.
Study. To learn something. Example, I study English in the evening.
Try describing your daily routine in English. Start with morning, then afternoon, then evening.
And practice asking questions like, what time do you, or do you usually?
Tell us in the comments, what is one thing you do every day?
And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the AZ channel for more English listening practice.
See you in the next episode.